How to add bank account on Binance. Let's begin with the video. To begin, open the Binance app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the app icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the setting, scroll down until you see the payment method and open it. Then choose P2P payment methods. Then click on Add a payment method. Your Binance will display a list of all the supported payment methods in your country. At this point, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar if you are looking for something specific. Once you find the option you prefer, select it. Furthermore, type in your bank account number and hit confirm. Binance will now save your bank account and make it available for P2P transaction. That's it. Now you know how to add bank account on Binance.